Hello guys, in this video you will learn some shocking things about Upwork. These revelations will leave you in awe. Some of these revelations are actually black hat, so we do not recommend any usage because it might have serious consequences on the platform. So this is a warning. This video is just for educational purpose and you are advised not to use any of these. So sit back guys, let's go on this adventure. One is that it is shocking fact there is a black market for Upwork freelance accounts. Yes, you heard me right. Yeah, so just merely doing a brief Google search, you find out that there are actually tons of websites that are actually selling Upwork accounts in the black market. Right on Google. You don't need dark web to see this. Just look at this from top to bottom. You can scroll down, you can see people are even trading on Upwork accounts in different websites. So people are even asking some questions in Quora and all that. So, but it's very, very legal. So this you can tell by just a very simple response from a community manager on Upwork. Now somebody asks the question, can I sell my account? And then this is the response from the community manager. It says, no, Upwork is a service marketplace. You cannot sell accounts. You cannot sell an account here, though you can help a client to create an account, but it's actually very, very much illegal to do so. So if you are doing this any way, like selling your accounts or whatever, just know that you're actually going against the Upwork policy and you are at a very big risk of getting your account flagged or deleted. So this is from this, I'm just showing you this so that you somebody might come up to you and say, okay, let's do this, but it's actually illegal. So number two shocking fact that you have to know on Upwork is that there's no single work related thing you can do or get for free on Upwork, whether you are a client or you are a freelancer. So right here on Upwork support area, you find out that connects actually cost around 15 cents. So each connect costs around 15 cents and each are sold in bundles. So every Upwork account which actually in the freelancer basic is giving 10 free connects each month. I don't know if that is still coming, but whether it's coming or not, for you to have the ability to consistently apply for jobs and bid for jobs, you must be able to purchase extra connects. So the first time you register on Upwork, you receive 40 free connects and you receive another 50 free connects if you earn a rising talent badge. After that, you start purchasing your own connects. This is just to prove to you that there's nothing you actually do on this platform that doesn't cost money, right? So guys, the third shocking fact is that there are actually Upwork fake review farms. Yeah, you got me right. Upwork fake review farms are places where you can actually go and buy Upwork reviews. So again, just by typing buy Upwork reviews on Google, you find out that there are tons of websites that actually give you, as they claim, real legit freelancers review on Upwork. But this might seem real and legit, but it's actually look at this is another one, but it's actually against Upwork policy. This is a black hat method of trying to, but who says that getting reviews are actually responsible for landing your first job on Upwork? Who knows? We might have worked with some persons, but critically looking at it, there are a whole lot of things that can actually get you jobs on Upwork. There are quite a combination of things that can actually land you your first job on Upwork, apart from getting reviews from review farms or maybe buying a fake Upwork account. These are the things that Omnible Talent is offering to actually teach you in our upcoming webinar and training. We're going to teach you how to make 50k to 70k yearly. We're going to teach you how to rebrand yourself and how to actually become a client magnet. Also, I'm going to also teach you how to start your own freelance business, for it to work for you from anywhere, become a business owner through freelancing. We're also going to teach you how to leverage AI in order to put all these things together. And this is actually coming as a subscription model. It's not a one-off. You just subscribe and you get this training every month, every single month. Please don't forget to sign up. The link is at the description below. See you next time.